Hello, ho ho, and welcome back to Python. And when I'm saying welcome back to Python, it sounds kind of weird. Why does it sound weird? Because Python is not a place, but a language. Okay, no, that was a joke. Even I feel ashamed of. So let's just start with our today's topic, because today we are not making a tutorial video, but we are just finding out how many dimensions a Numpy array can contain. And yeah, how do you find that out? You Google it and you will find it out in even 2 seconds. But yeah, if I'm doing that, I wouldn't make this video. So let's find it out in another way by coding. Okay, to find that out, we obviously have to import numpy as np, and we have to create our tuple, which represents a shape, tupi-dupi we are naming him. Tupi-dupi is 2 multiplied with 20. So if we print tupi-dupi, we are gaining this tuple containing out of 2's and 22's to be real. So now let's create our array. Array with e equals np point zeros tupi-dupi. So that simply means we are creating an array. The shape, the tuple is the blueprint as a shape, and yes, every element is filled with a 0, every element of the one-dimensional arrays, and yes, the two-dimensional arrays will contain one-dimensional arrays, so on. So the creation doesn't take much time, but now if we want to print that, yes, he's not finished yet. I'm playing with my pencil. Now I can't really play because he's finished. So as you can see here, we have 20 square brackets, but yeah, we printed our tupi-dupi, but it's not on the console anymore because our array is so large that it needs much too much space. So think about how large is the array, or how many elements of 0 does the array have? Think for yourself, because it is simply 2 with the power of 2. And as you may know, this is a large number. Okay, but yeah, let's try 40. Oh no, let's try 30 first. And as you see, it will take so much time. We will wait for an eternity. So let's just stop. And yeah, let's uncomment the print, because if he's not printing, the creation of the array was pretty quick. Okay, this worked. Now let's try it with 40. No, I didn't want to debug it. And yeah, we got a value error. Maximum supported dimensions for an ND array is 32. So that was easy to find out. But because if we want to have more dimensions, we can stick up to lists. Because if we have Lizzie array, which contains 2 arrays, we are still able to print Lizzie array. But yeah, printing, okay, we have to move back to 32, but printing Lizzie array will also take up too much time, but defining Lizzie array is still possible. So as mentioned in previous videos, arrays are much more efficient than lists. Okay, that's everything. We found out that 23 is the maximum dimension. Yeah, the maximum count of dimensions, but I guess, yeah, more than 4 or 5 dimensions will be needed pretty rarely. So see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.